Welcome to 10th session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, we are going to discuss second problem of standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Problem: calculate coefficient of variation based on the following information. Possible event A to E is given. Project A with cash flow and probability. Project B with cash flow and probability is given. Solution: expected value for project A and project B calculation. Possible event A to E, project A net cash flow and its probability, expected value. Project B cash flow, probability, expected value. Now event A, cash flow of project A, that is 10,000, is to be multiplied with its probability, that is 0.10, will give you expected value rupees 1000. Similarly, for the project B, event A cash flow is 26,000. Probability of that is 0.10. The expected value from it is 2,600. Similarly, all the other events, project A, project B, cash flows has to be multiplied with their probability to get the expected value. After that, we will get expected net cash flow. For project A it is 14,000, for project B it is 18,000. Project A, 14,000 has to be substituted with the variance formula. For that, the answer will be 2190.90. For project B, expected net cash flow is 26,000, that is substituted with the variance formula will give you 4195.23. After that, to find out the coefficient of variation, you need to substitute the standard deviation of project A. The answer will be 0.1565. and risk for it is less, expected value also less. For project B, if you substitute the standard deviation with the formula of coefficient of variation, the answer will be 0.2331. Risk is more as well as return expected value is also more. Thank you.